Sayang,
Yeah?
how's your work today?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. I got something from the mail.
Oh?
Yeah. It's from Adam, but it's
From
for
Adam?
you.
Just to me.
Yeah, for you. So I'm not open it.
Let's see here. Okay, so these are
Apa itu?
these are visitor passes to go to the base
Oh,
for when he graduates on, when is this going to be? November 30th, November 29th.
29 and
Yes,
20 and
and
30th.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 hari,
Yes.
2 days.
Yes.
Oh, jadi itu Adam ngirimin ditujukan buat Charles suratnya, ngirimin undangan kalau undangan untuk wisuda keluar bootcamp.
And this is a letter from Adam.
Ya.
He
It's
wrote.
for you.
It's for me, but it's all in Bahasa. So, kamu lucha.
Hah?
Kamu lucha.
Lucha. Baca.
Bacha. What is lucha?
No, nothing.
Nothing.
Lucha is nothing. If you said kamu lucu, it means you funny.
Ah.
So if lucha, nothing.
Okay, so read is bacha.
Yes.
Okay, kamu bacha.
Kamu baca dulu.
Kamu
I like
baca
when you baca
dulu.
Indonesia.
Oh my gosh. Hello, Ma. Kalau Mama nirma pesan ini alhamdulillah. Adam baik-baik aja, Ma. Hampir 2 minggu di sini. Selama ini stres, bunget, si haha.
Kalau dia yang baca, jadinya kocak ya.
Here, you read the rest.
Oke.
Okay.
Oh, sudah hampir 2 minggu. Oh, letter from Adam. Sudah hampir 2 minggu Adam di sini. Selama ini stres banget sih. Hahaha. Gitu. Adam jauh dari Mama, Charles, Matthew. I'm maybe in English too, so you can understand.
Okay.
Adam really miss you guys.
Yeah.
And Adam only has like 10 minutes for writing this letter. So hurry writing for you and family over there. You all please stay healthy and don't worry about me. 5 more weeks we can meet each other again.
Yes.
I miss you so much, Mama. Jadi isinya Adam itu kalau aku bacain semuanya nanti aku takut nangis ya. Ini aja hidungnya udah mulai merah. Pokoknya Adam itu I'm so happy he wrote me this letter.
Yes, me too.
Because aku senang banget nerima surat ini karena kurang lebih udah seminggu lebih. Jadi waktu pertama kali when the first time Adam arrive in San Antonio.
Oh yeah.
Lihat Om Buli aja pengen nangis tuh.
Yeah, he called really quickly.
Ya, he call dia dapat izin. Semua orang yang masuk bootcamp dapat izin untuk telepon ke rumah ke orang tuanya, ke keluarganya untuk memberitahu kalau Ma, keluarga kami sudah tiba di San Antonio gitu kan. Jadi waktu itu Adam nelpon aku sekali tuh. Terus waktu and then the second time he call you.
Yeah, second time he called me, he had it was real quick. He had a question to ask.
Untuk ngisi form ya, ada data ya artinya.
Yeah.
Lihat tuh Om Bule udah pengen nangis tuh, lihat mukanya udah merah, matanya udah berair. Ya kita kangen banget sama Adam. Makanya pas lagi nerima surat ini tuh aku gimana ya rasanya ya, kaget, antara kaget dengan seneng, sambil juga ada ada sedikit rasa lega karena sudah dapat kabar. And the second time calling you and then calling me also.
Yeah.
Few days after, berapa hari setelah nelfon Charles itu, Adam nelfon aku. Itu juga nanya informasi mengenai kapan Adam pindah ke Amerika, kapan kemarin kan kita sempat pulang ke Indonesia tuh yang sebulan kan. Itu juga tanggal berapa, kayaknya dia harus mengisi data mengenai informasi itu. Jadi dia memastikan ke aku tuh tanggal berapa gitu kan, takut salah ngisi ya. Nah, di sini dia bilang juga, jadi setelah telepon itu nggak pernah ada kabar lagi dari Adam, belum ada kabar lagi dari Adam. Jadi aku agak-agak deg-degan juga ya, agak-agak was-was gitu, khawatir itu anak gimana di sana, apakah dia ngejalanin bootcamp dengan baik atau semuanya lancar ya. Kita kan selalu berdoa yang terbaik ya untuk anak-anak ya. Jadi pas nerima surat ini tuh antara percaya nggak percaya dan dapat undangan buat wisuda. Baby, you think that when we graduate we can make video?
Yes, of course we can.
To
I think they would encourage it. They would want us to.
Huh?
I think they expect us to make a video.
For
'Cause this-
YouTube is okay?
Yes.
Tuh jadi boleh guys. Jadi nanti ini masih ada how many weeks? 5, 4.
5, yeah.
Ini udah minggu ketiga Adam di bootcamp. Udah minggu ketiga. Jadi kira-kira masih kurang 4 minggu lagi untuk dia lulus. Ini pas dia nulis surat ini, pas dia 2 minggu bootcamp. Jadi pengiriman surat dari San Antonio ke sini kan menghabiskan waktu perlu beberapa hari ya, kurang lebih 3-4 hari. Oke, sayang, gimana
Ya.
nih? Ada lagi nggak? Katanya kangen banget. Adam jauh dari mama di bootcamp ini membuat Adam tuh semakin sadar kalau dia tuh betapa sayangnya sama mama, katanya gitu. Katanya mama adalah semangat Adam. Katanya mama, ngomong-ngomong mama, he said that we can send him letter.
Yes, we can send him a letter. I got his, we have his address here.
Ya,
So, yeah, we can send him a letter.
ya. Ini kan udah malam ya guys.
Send him something else too.
Tomorrow we
Yes.
tomorrow ya we
Yes.
write the letter ya.
Yes.
And he said, see you soon. I miss you guys. I miss you so much, Mama. I love you. Adam anak Mama. Lega, tapi ya masih rasa-rasa gimana ya.
Yeah.
Ya udah kita tulis surat ya besok ya. Oke.
Yeah. You're gonna write them, and I'm just very proud
Oh ya.
of Adam and
Yeah,
all
me
that
too.
he's accomplished. And he's only been here for a year.
Ya,
A
ada
year.
baru di sini setahun.
You know, he got a job, got his driver's license, working out like crazy, joined the Air Force. Now he's in boot camp, and sounds like he's doing pretty good.
And you bought him a car.
Oh yeah, bought him a car, which
Papahnya baik banget, dia beliin Adam mobil.
yes, bought him a car. So yeah, I'm just trying to help out my son. So, all right, let's get started on that letter.
Oke, besok
Tomorrow.
Oh, ya.
Yeah,
Ya udah kita tidur aja sekarang.
yeah, it's late. Just got off work. I'm tired.
Oke.
Yeah.
You're done with the letter?
Yes. Yes, just a short little thing that I wrote. So what are we going to do? Rip this off?
Yes, rip that off. So it's gonna be like 2 pages,
Yes.
2 halaman. Yeah.
All right.
And then we will send to Adam today, yeah?
Yes, we got to send it to Adam today. We have to do soon.
Yes, because we need to drop off also a package
Yes.
to Michigan ya.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah ada customer yang melihat kami di melihat reels kami di Facebook Reels. Jadi pesen tempe kita mau antar sekarang sekalian dengan suratnya Adam. Only this for Adam?
Oh, and our tempeh chips.
Oh, oke. Bagus.
Yes.
Ya, bisa betul.
Some first.
Why you do that? And this is Rika's box, but Rika, oh no, it's okay. So, well, we might just put these
Yeah, just put that on top.
on top.
All right. And where's the tape?
All right, with the tape. Okay. Already a little bit good, yeah, on
Yes.
packing, yeah.
Yes, we have had lots of practice.
Yes, harus. Bagaimana nih? Harus praktis ini. Oh, there is fly.
Yeah, there's a fly. I hear it.
I can hear the fly because you opened the door.
Yeah, I was
before.
talking to my neighbor and I saw the fly come in.
Oh my god.
All
A
right.
little bit more and then we go to post office, yeah?
Yes. Hopefully we can find this fly.
Ya, berisik banget loh
You
bunyinya.
hear it?
Yes, I can hear. Okay,
Okay.
done.
All right.
Banyak.
Oh, good?
Good.
All right.
Ready?
Let's go.
Yeah.
Ayo.